were in the House of Assembly. Let me start by saying thank you for coming. None, Lucia, Zayo. Behind them, here are number one. The team has basically explained which for harmony. How do we harmonize our political process, both by action, by experience, and by all the necessary things that will make progress in our world? I started some of these things from AUA, Amokwe, Students Association, all of us. So we'll never leave our work. So we'll be very short, but very, very deep. The idea of this political harmony is a principle of Kaiji local mind. Let us speak with one voice. In politics, there are very, very many models of achieving power. Let me quote what we did recently, the former governor of Anambra told me. Politics and political parties are vehicles to grabbing power. Political vehicle parties. So there is no reason why we will not have various political parties. They must exist. They must be here in our home. But the idea is, if you are given political power, what do you do with it for the development of our people? Sustainable development of our people. Might be quite a lot of things. Let me tell you something practical. If not for the fact of the deputy governor being the deputy governor at the time she was the deputy governor, I don't think we would have had that road built for us. Because she was in power, close to power, and on my high job. That was sustainable development. He didn't build it for herself. She built it for everybody to use. So what we're looking at Amokwe is simple. We're talking about unanimity of purpose. What do we want? We need to decide here. What do we want? And we will not restrict people from going to different political parties. They will come. Being held from this issue or this political existence or whatever we want to demand, we must itemize it. As other speakers have said, we need to be humble about it, but we need to use our strength to get political power. You know, for instance, look at the demographics of the voting pattern. You have those days in go first, and go outside. They have come to a point where they have done a few things or giving up their areas in terms of units. In the polling units, it is one of the aspects of having political power. We have tried it here now. Some of us have really worked hard to make sure we expand it, but we have a problem. I have a problem. As it is, like the top largest world in terms of political units or outputs after war and sometimes Afor, increasing our political votes from a certain 11, 12 to 21. It wasn't easy. It was something that was done using contacts. Again, we still have the same opportunity. Because we need to come together. We need to harmonize. We need to have our parties. That we must idea when we're meeting. We also have a component of what we desire in our world. So that will lead us to what is called the convergence of ideas. Therefore, we must sit down. We will articulate what we need and how we want to achieve it. Thank God, how they see Amokwe outside here, I don't think you people know how they value Amokwe. When we have a meeting, they say, some of our friends sitting down here, who are probably supposed to be here. First, you were in the assembly. I mean, you were there. And you represented us very, very well. So when we mention Amokwe, they mention the individuals they have seen at the state level, national level, and be able to harmonize what we want. Convergence of ideas. How do we unite? I thank God we're here listening to the listeners. And the top one is, how do we operationalize our tactics? For instance, as from an election. And when we took appointment, so election, when he had an election. Yes, although he's, and those who were there then knew that I so much love this town that my election was a go in Amokwe. Amokwe supported it because I came into the forefront to fight those who think Amokwe will not get anything. Yes, the election was won eventually by the act of God. We didn't operationalize it. But that is one of the sacrifices we make in this area. So our theme is harmonization of our differences to deliver sustainable aspects of development in our world, which is very, very key. If you look at the template ADF is using, yes, it's an association of like-minded Amokwe. A town, a little town, Inyi, applying officially Ghanaian constitution India, so that they can start doing what India next so many years. And this is what our God wants to do. Even what we are doing today, I will tell you, for outside the Africa, he didn't know for sure that this is a past. He is there, this is now. Some people are saying he didn't know when they are doing it. Don't know where they are, because I know why you're on own basis. We have the materials, we have the men, we have the intellect, we have the women to operationalize our ideas. So we explore it. So today's political summit is a very, very strong team. It is the first to have ever had. People may be easy to ask, why haven't you been doing this? We must apologize to you. We must apologize. Because all I'm all the people know that the way behind them, we need to buy into the program and be able to put it together and have unity and unity of focus. Finally, the area I want to talk is on the area of cooperation and division. What is cooperation? We must cooperate amongst ourselves. I want to deliver it. But in these 4 items, unity of both convergence of ideas, life practice, and cooperation and delivery. We must ask anyone that is the election. We shall know what do you have for our home. That is number 1. Can he will value? And that he will value will not come from this table. It will not come from this table. It will come from you. The people of our home. They are needed to be what I see near the they are the politics. You know, when you know politics, I mean, all right. They will come to this hall anywhere we do and tell us what they have, even if you are not Christian. The reason is that if we have a clear-cut roadmap, we can create a framework for what Amokwe wants politically. And on the uniform, or the no uniform, they are Democrats already and they want scholarship for our people because tomorrow is about education. And tomorrow is about infrastructure, health, school, and rest. So far, we have started gaining, even from the present administration. Even from the present administration. And it's nothing that we able to see. Cromwell is a supervisor in the local government. They cannot do without having somebody from home. No one is a advisor and the rest of it. People, what we are saying is, let us come together. Leave party politics is a vehicle for grabbing people to power, and let us stay Amokwe first. Amokwe first and foremost. Two, political interests coming from Amokwe, they must work hard. And what are they must work hard. They must go to the people. They must go down to the people. They must be part of the administration of the voters list. They must be part of what's happening locally amongst the regions. Both it is with the regions, both it is with the people at the UN level. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. One last comment. One last comment. When Her Excellency was in government, when she was deputy governor, I worked under her. That is Amokwe for you. I was a member of the Council on Privatization and Commercialization of State-Owned Industries. Thank you, ma'am, for that, and I greet you and thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Barrister. Please, round of applause for him. Good morning.